Having clearly defined objectives can assist e-commerce businesses in making 2022 their best year yet. The goals or resolutions should be aspirational and engaging as possible in order to motivate people to take action. Welcome to our channel, E-Commerce Know-How. The following are 7 resolution suggestions for the year 2022. Number 7. Know your customers. New Year's business resolutions can take on a variety of shapes and sizes. There are achievement goals, such as increase sales by 10% quarter over quarter, as well as habit goals, which aim to change the way an organization behaves over time. Habit goals are useful for e-commerce companies that want to better understand their customers or deepen customer relationships, for example. A weekly customer interview is an example of this. In the year 2022, a senior executive might commit to interviewing 1 customer per week. Number 6. Respond quickly. A small e-commerce company that is sharp, nimble, and resourceful can compete with behemoths. Shoppers' experiences are frequently used to gain an unfair competitive advantage. Customer service enhancements are one way to make the experience better. In 2022, make an effort to reduce response times for customer service by approximately 30%. If a company responds to emails in an hour on average, figure out a way to reduce that time to 40 minutes. Number 5. Accelerate shipping. Reduce the amount of time it takes for customers to receive their orders by 10%. Amazon made fast and usually free shipping popular by popularizing it. The majority of online shoppers now expect their orders to arrive within a few days, and the faster the better. In 2022, the emphasis will be on small incremental improvements in shipping time. This could include things like processing orders more quickly, adding new shipping origins, and finding carriers who are more cost-effective than the competition. Number 4. Use less packaging material. Over the next few years, sustainability will be a major theme in every industry, including the entertainment industry. Don't be surprised if some shoppers set their own carbon budgets in 2022 and choose companies that are committed to environmental sustainability in their purchases. E-commerce businesses can get a jump on the competition by embracing this trend. Make an effort to use less packaging with each order and to use recycled or environmentally friendly materials whenever possible. Evive, a Canadian smoothie manufacturer, is a good example. The company created an ice tray-like package that keeps smoothie cubes separated while also reducing packaging waste and waste. Customer purchases of 24 smoothies rather than 12 smoothies are also encouraged by Evive in order to reduce the amount of recycled cardboard required for shipping in relation to the number of items purchased. Purchasing more smoothies less frequently helps to reduce packaging waste. Number 3. Shorten the supply chain. One of the many e-commerce lessons learned as a result of the pandemic is that supply chains are not always predictable or reliable. So for 2022, try to make them shorter, either in terms of distance or time. My recommendation is a purely arbitrary 20%. Make any necessary adjustments to that percentage based on your company's needs. The key is to take a close look at the product sourcing process. There may be an alternative product supplier who is more convenient for the company and its customers to work with. Is there a way to shorten the time required to complete the project? Number 2. Cut underused software. Software has a tendency to accumulate in the nooks and crannies of a company, much like trinkets in an attic. There are 4 SaaS offerings that perform the same or similar tasks before anyone realizes it. Remove all software clutter by the year 2022. The company's licensed and SaaS programs are all subject to an audit. Find out who is employing them and why they are doing so. After that, either consolidate or eliminate. The goal is to reduce software expenditures by 30% by 2022. Number 1. Get serious about content. Content marketing will continue to be an effective method of driving traffic and establishing relationships with visitors in the future. In 2022, e-commerce companies should take their content strategy seriously. Choose a medium, blogs, podcasts, or videos, and make a commitment to publishing content on a consistent basis throughout the year. Consider it a habit-building goal. Try to publish at least once a week. Product launches and email marketing campaigns can benefit from content marketing. And take notes from retailers and B2B companies that are doing a good job with content. And with that being said, it's time to end our video. Are you ready to take these resolutions for 2022? Let us know in the comments. Like this video and make sure to subscribe to the channel for more amazing videos like this. We'll see you in the next video.